What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to bank account. So pay attention to the end of this video so you can understand how you can do this. Now in order to withdraw money from our Phantom Wallet to our bank account, we'll need to use another exchange in addition to our Phantom Wallet. This is because your Phantom Wallet does not have the function to transfer from your Phantom Wallet directly into your bank account. The method we'll be using right here is to transfer from our Phantom Wallet into another exchange. In this case, we'll be using Bybit. We're going to go over to our Bybit app, and at the bottom right corner, we're going to tap on Assets. Right away, we're going to tap on Deposit and then select Deposit Crypto. The goal here is to search for Solana. You can see in our search history we have Solana, and also on the recommended you can see Sol. Alternatively, you can search for it at the top or scroll down to look for S. Now we're going to tap on Solana and then choose the network or chain type. They basically mean the same thing. Tap on OK. And then right here you have your alphanumeric code and the QR code with the network of Solana. Next thing you need to do is to copy your Solana address, go over to Phantom Wallet, and then we have Solana right here. Now, please make sure that you have Solana here. If you have your crypto in another coin, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, you can simply do a swap using the swap option right here. The next thing to do when we have Solana in our Phantom Wallet, we can simply tap on Send, choose Solana, and then put in the address which we copied from Bybit. The goal here is to send Solana from Phantom Wallet into Bybit for the first steps of the process. Tap on Next, and then right here you're going to put the amount of Solana you would like to send. When you put this and you're sure you have some Solana on your Phantom Wallet, you can tap on Next to continue, confirm the transaction, and in no time you will have your Solana in your Bybit. Now, when we go over to Bybit, the next thing we'll need to do is to convert our Solana to USDT. In order to do this, you just need to make sure that you're under Assets, or maybe on the homepage of your exchange, you can see the Convert or Swap option. In our case on Bybit, we have the Assets button at the bottom right corner. Look for Convert. And right here, we're going to be converting whatever crypto, in this case Solana, into USDT. All we need to do is to tap on the BTC there, which is a drop-down menu of all other crypto coins. We're going to search for Solana, tap on it, and then we can put the amount of Solana we would like to convert into USDT. When you're done converting Solana into USDT, the next thing to do is to go home and look for P2P trading on your respective crypto platform. We have it here on the homepage, so we're going to tap on it. And then at the top left corner, you can see Buy, Sell. We're going to tap on Sell because we want to sell to a buyer who is going to transfer some fiat currency into our bank account. So under Sell, you need to make sure also just under it, you have USDT selected as we have it right here. And then when that's done, you can scroll down to look for who you can actually sell to, and then tap on the client. And here on the first field, you can put in the amount of USDT. Now you're going to have to put in the payment method, which the buyer will be sending the fiat currency for the USDT you will be selling to them. So these are the different steps you need to follow to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.